Hello, I'm Charlie Emmett. Welcome to another video of Charlie's Autistic Kitchen. Today we're making one of my mum's favourites, quinoa salad. Here she is. And it's also my favourite too. So, hope I don't mess it up, so let's get right to it. So, ingredients wise, you need 150 grams of quinoa. You need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You need half a teaspoon of cumin, pinch of cayenne pepper. You need some pine nuts roasted, some sun-dried tomatoes, and some 1 lime juice, Himalayan salt and black pepper, 1 avocado, and some coriander. So, let's get right to it. So, water is all boiled. We're going to put the hot water into the jug, 400 ml. There we go. Then it's going to go into the saucepan. We're going to set that on to high and wait for it to boil. So next we're going to take this quinoa and we're going to put it in this sieve and we're going to rinse it off. So, quinoa is all good. We're going to put it into the saucepan. And now we're going to simmer it. So next we're going to move on to my pine nuts. We're going to toast them and we're going to have it on high heat, and all you have to do is you're just going to move them around. If you don't move them around, they will burn. So keep moving it around and it will be golden brown. So as you can see, pine nuts, nice and toasted and golden brown. I'm just going to set these to the side. And now we're going to chop up the coriander and the avocado. Just chop them up thinly. Now we're going to cut the avocado. Quinoa is all cooked, as you can see. It's absorbed all the water. Just giving it a quick stir. Fluffy as a cloud right now, so that's perfect. And we're going to put it into this bowl. And now we're going to put all our ingredients together and mix it up. So we're going to put the turmeric in. So we're going to mix that together. Everything is all mixed up. I'm going to put the next ingredients in. So we're going to pour the lime juice in. I really love it. I just poured in the sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put the Himalayan salt. Fresh pepper. And we're going to mix this together. And this is making me hungry right now. My tummy is rumbling. Mum's on a diet, so I just give her this. Nah, I'm just kidding. She needs this anyway. It's her favourite too. Shouldn't be mean to her. I love her to bits. Last but not least, we'll sprinkle the pine nuts. Look at that. How tempting is this for lunch and dinner? It's my favourite and it's my mum's favourite. Now, one thing to say. Mum, ata! There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So thank you guys for watching another video of Charlie's Autistic Kitchen. If you like what you see, click subscribe and we'll see you in the next cooking video. Ciao for now.